Hello, this is Chase with Modern Exterior. I'm at a roofing project in Heartland, Wisconsin, and I just wanted to go over and show you guys one of the things that we do to protect homeowners' homes when we're doing roofs for them. We have these pre-built boxes that we use to protect all AC units. It's really nice because obviously when the crew is on the roof, tearing things off, obviously we haven't gotten to this section yet, so normally we'd have tarp scraping down as well. They just haven't torn off over here yet. So tarps will be coming, but obviously just as an extra precaution, obviously we don't want any debris, we don't want any granules, we don't want anything to pretty much get inside of this AC unit. And this is our standard cover that we use for the winter time, because obviously most homeowners aren't running their AC units obviously in these temperatures, so it can actually sit completely flat on the top of the AC unit to protect it. In the summertime, springtime, we have legs for these that actually hover it over the AC units a little bit higher so that the customer can actually run their AC unit while we're doing the roof for them. This is really great though. It just alleviates any issues. Obviously, there's been times where customers, you get scratches on AC units and stuff like that, and customers obviously don't like that. So that's why we use these covers at every job that we have. It's great. It's very easy. It's just some 2x4s and some plywood, but it goes a long way.